Hey guys, it's Brenda. Welcome back to another video on SugarPinkDIY, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my room tour. And thank you so much to everyone who gave me the idea of making this room tour video, such as Malena Mana and Renata Medea. Also, I want to send a shout out to Michelle Salinas. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you won't miss any of my following videos. And now let's go on to the video. Alrighty guys, so as we enter my room, we see these three backpacks that I really like. On that same wall, there is a giant snowflake that I made using paper and a lot of glitter. If you guys remember, my room used to be super colorful. But since it's January, it will start snowing soon, so I wanted to do a winter wonderland themed decor for my room. Now let's continue with my bed, and I decorated my bed using pillows from my Sweet 16 or Quinceañera's party. For my Sweet 16/Quinceañera, I had a winter wonderland theme, but because we couldn't find winter wonderland themed pillows, my mom and I went to Joann Fabrics, and there we bought some fabric and some materials that my mom needed to make them. To decorate the back wall in my room, I used a wired hanger and then I made it into a circle. Then I just covered it with fluffy fabric and just made a Christmas wreath. Honestly, it's super easy to make, super cheap, and it's super cute. Now let's continue with this mini Christmas tree. At first, my Christmas tree didn't have anything blue, so I took some silver ornaments and I painted them with light blue paint. As you guys can see, I really like decorating my room with lights, but I know people that like decorating their rooms with mandalas, stickers, and photographs such as Polaroids. For example, my friend Aina, she decorated her room's ceiling with colorful lights and some glow-in-the-dark stars. How about you guys? How do you like decorating your room? Next to my bed, we can find a relaxing place or spot, but in reality, I never use it or I'm never sitting there. Honestly, my cat is the only one that is usually laying there on the fluffy rugs. Also, because this place has a princess canopy, every time my cat is laying there, I just close the princess canopy to make it seem like a little cozy home. On this wall, we can find some more snowflakes and some drawings or posters that I made, as well as another giant snowflake that I made using paper and glitter. About a year ago, I bought all of the pink pillows and the princess canopy at a store called Five Below, where everything is exactly $5 or below. And the small dog that says 2016 was my high school's graduation stuffed animal, where a lot of my friends and classmates wrote down their wishes and their names for me to remember them. Now let's continue with the place where I'm always sitting down doing homework. On the wall, we can find a poster that says "Leave it to God and go to sleep." We also find this board that we made in this channel, so I'll leave the link in the description box, as well as on the right hand corner of the video, in case you'll want to see that video. Then we can see the super cute bracelet that my grandma brought me when she came to visit us, as well as some art and school supplies that I always use to make my notes and basically for every single activity that is school related. This cube organizer is also decorated with some winter wonderland decorative accents. And next to this cube organizer, we see my desk. On the bottom part, I have this cube organizer for washi tapes, as well as an Eiffel Tower that I bought at Joann Fabrics, and honestly, I bought it because it was only $5, so it was on sale. On my desktop, we can find a notebook or a bullet journal that we decorated on this channel, so I'll leave the link in the description box, as well as on the right hand corner of this video, just in case you want to go see that video. And we can also find my laptop for my school assignments, my backpack, and a desk lamp. Behind my desk, there is another cube organizer with more art and school supplies, and honestly, this material on this cube organizer and the material on the other organizer is all of the school and art supplies that I have to make my notes and to do all my school assignments. This cube organizer is also decorated with some winter wonderland plushies and decorative accents. For example, I have this candle that we used as a centerpiece for my Sweet 16 or Quinceañera, and I also have this snowman that my mom gave me, as well as this sleigh that I bought from Walmart for less than $1. On top of this cube organizer, or on the wall, there is a mirror that I usually use every single morning to do my hair. And basically, this is how my small office or study space looks like inside my room. And behind that rainbow curtain, there's a surprise that I'll soon be sharing with you guys. Alright guys, and this was it for today's idea or video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my following videos. And now, see you on the following video. Bye guys!